Payne Campground is set in a forested area about a quarter mile from Lake Allatoona in northwestern Georgia. The beautiful and popular lake is a U.S. Army Corps of Engineers reservoir that has over 270 miles of shoreline. The campground has 60 campsites and all have water and electric hookups. Sites 59 and 60 have full hookups. Parking spurs range in size from 30 to 80 feet. Amenities include water, flush toilets, hot water showers, trash collection, and a dandy dump station. There's also a playground, boat ramp, boat trailer lot, and firewood available to purchase from the camp host. Cell service is also good in the area. Please click on the link in the description to get additional camping information and view photos of other campgrounds throughout the United States. Remember, you can sign up for campsite availability alerts at campsitephotos.com. You'll get a text and email alert when a campsite becomes available for the dates you want to camp. Outdoor recreation includes boating, canoeing, kayaking, fishing, water sports, hunting, hiking, biking, picnicking, and wildlife viewing. The nearby cities of Ackworth and Woodstock offer restaurants, shopping, and historic downtown areas. The Visitor Center at Allatoona Lake Project Management Office also features video exhibits and displays about the area's history, ranging from the time of early Native Americans to the Civil War. Thanks so much for watching and your support. If you enjoyed this video, please be sure to subscribe to our channel and click on the like button. Thanks again, and happy camping.